Today I'm going to show you how to create tasks in Taskade. Alright, we're in Taskade. What I want to do is make sure that I'm in the right workspace. Go ahead and you can create whatever app it is that you'd like to create. Now I've already created one. It's called Project Management 1. Go ahead, click on this. You can also use some of the community templates. Once you're in here, go ahead and this will be the preview and your conversation on the left. Go and look for workspace. And here you want to go ahead and you need to create a project. Okay, so go ahead, click on projects. You can start with a blank project. So let's go ahead, start with a blank project. And within your project, you will now create tasks within your project. So let's go ahead. Our project is going to be development. And here we are going to click over here and you can actually use a dash to use their slash commands. All right, we've got our project over here. Our project is called development. And what we're going to do is we are going to add in over here whatever task needs to be completed. So let's say we're going to add in their web design, just for example, right now. Okay, so once you click on these three dots, there's a bunch of stuff that you can do with this. So go ahead and explore that. Now, if you come back up over here to workspace, you'll be able to see your tasks over here. Okay, so if you've not yet created a task, go ahead, click on create over here, and here there are different items that you can create, and then you can see that you've got your project over here. Let's go ahead, click on tasks, and you'll see all of your tasks available here. You can also click on generate. Okay, so if you go into projects, you can click on generate, and here you'll be able to basically create whatever you want. So create a task for the bug fixes on my new app. Go ahead and send that. It'll now come up in your chat space over here on the left side. So it'll come in over here and that will be a new task created.